Question number 6. So Serge deposits $100 at the end of each year for 20 years into a fund earning an annual effective interest rate of 7%. Gabby makes 20 deposits into a fund at the end of each year for 20 years. The first 10 deposits are $100 each, while the last 10 deposits are $100 plus X dollars each. The fund earns an annual effective interest rate of 8% during the first 10 years and 6% annual effective interest thereafter. At the end of 20 years, the amount in Serge's fund equals the amount in Gabby's fund. Calculate X. So, let's start this off by creating a timeline. Year 1, year 2, year 3, etc. Year 19, 20. So, for Serge gets $100 at the end of every year up until year 20. And Gabby gets $100 first 10 years. Gabby's payments will be underneath, Serge's are on top. Now in years 11, Serge will continuously get $100, whereas Gabby starts getting 100 plus X dollars. So we start this off by calculating Serge's accumulated value. This is a fairly simple process, just 100 S angle 20 at 7% interest, which ends up being $100 times 40.9955. Next, we want to figure out Gabby's accumulated value. We obviously can't do this because we don't know what X is, but we can solve part of this equation. So it'll be $100 S angle 10 at 8% for the first 10 years. And we do also want to bring this up another 10 years all the way to year 20. So how we're going to do this is by multiplying the S angle by 1.06 to the power of 10. So this takes into account years 11 through 20, plus $100 plus X, S angle 10 at 6%. So this takes into account the payments years 11 through 20 and brings the value all the way up to year 20. X will then simply be 100 multiplied by S20 to the power, or S angle 20 at 7%, which is Serge's payments, minus S10 at 8% times 1.06 to the power of 10 minus S angle 10 at 6%. So it's Serge's payments minus part of Gabby's payments divided by this coefficient right here, which is S angle 10 at 6%. So just plugging in a lot of algebra will give us the final answer, which is X equals $14.20.